Today we're just going to be doing a quick brief of what's going on with Booking.com and their virtual credit card declines. A lot of people has been experiencing declines using Booking.com virtual credit card at check-in. I don't know, me personally, I never really took the virtual credit card because, you know I'm going to get some bad credit cards and stuff like that when it comes to, transactions. One of the things that I do is if I want the credit card done, complete, over with, is I tend to push prepaid reservations more versus having to, be included in the virtual credit card program if I want guaranteed payment. All right. So when you have something like that, and what's going on, this is what's happening. A guest comes in, they make the reservation, Booking.com gives you a virtual credit card. You go to charge that card, it declines. The reason why is because Booking.com want to make sure everything is okay with the reservation. So the card is available to charge, but what I've been noticing is the card is only available charged the next day. So what can you do? First things first, where's your Bible? And I'm not talking about that Bible, I'm talking about your front desk log. You want to make sure you list all the reservations on that log for the morning shift can charge them the next day for that date. So if you have a reservation coming in today, you want to put all the reservations names in that log for tomorrow so the morning shift can charge those cars, because we have so much going at the hotel, it just slips our mind, and next thing you're gonna know, you're gonna have an unsettled payment and you're not gonna know why. What I don't like about what Booking.com is doing is that it gives them more control over the reservation. So if it's a cancellation due to COVID, now it's Booking.com's card. If it doesn't adhere to our policies for cancellation, then Booking.com has more control where they could just say, we're going to go ahead and refund the guests, and we're not paying anything. Thank you very much, appreciate it. Which is like, are you kidding me right now? The other thing it does, if it gives them more control of the revenues. The reason why these programs do this is because they get, for the virtual cards, they get a percentage of the transaction. So, they're going to win. They're going to win both ways. They're going to win on the commission and they're going to win on the transaction. Let's just get it all. We don't even care. All right. Let's get the hotel nothing and and just get it all out. You would think they would give me some type of incentive for us, to make them a little bit more money. Nah, them hotels don't need money. Matter of fact, let's increase their fees again. See what they do. Okay. So this is what's going on. So go ahead and make sure all your policies and procedure are in place to handle what's going on with Booking.com and their virtual credit card. The other thing that I don't like, it gives Booking.com more control of the no-show fees. So, if Booking.com, the guest doesn't show up, is Booking.com going to say, we're going to go ahead and just give this guest this no-show, we're not going to charge them, and make sure you don't charge your card. What does that do for us? There you go. So we want to make sure, we're safe, which is why I try to not get involved in that virtual credit card program. I hate that program. I'd rather take the risk on my end and deal with the declining credit card versus, letting Booking.com have control of my cash flow. That's just my personal opinion. You may think something differently. Now, I have a lot of hotels calling me saying, hey, listen, I'm part of the Genius program and I'm getting these credit cards, and the regular credit cards that I'm getting are declining, or they're not even putting a credit card at all because they're with the Genius program, so they can cancel same day, so on and so forth. This is the biggest nightmare of all, because what will happen is they will book, and because they're part of the Genius program, they'll go ahead and cancel without penalties and not fees. So they have booked it. Your hotel is the best hotel that they have right now, so they're going to go ahead and book it. But guess what? They see a lower price, they're going to go ahead and cancel your reservation, or not even call you and say, hey, we're canceling, and just book the other hotel. The best thing you could do when this happens is usually send the guest a text message confirming their arrival, and say, this way if they're going to be coming or not. And 9 times out of 10 they reply saying, hey, I'm not going to be making it, or I found a low price, or something of that nature. Now if they find the low price, make sure you get on that phone and do some negotiating. Give them a call and say, hey, what hotel you're staying at. There may be some information about the hotel that they found that but they don't know, and it would change their mind once you tell them that information in a nice way. Okay, so go ahead, make sure you do that, do arrival confirmations, and that'll give you a good basis of what's really going on and help you save the reservation before you lose it. Again, thank you for tuning to another episode of Hotel Revenue Magic. I am your master magician, Bruce Short. Make sure you like and subscribe and give me that big thumbs up, and we'll be talking to you soon. Make your revenues rise up once again.